My name is Steve Painter. This is my wife Kathy, my oldest daughter Megan, and my youngest daughter Holly. We moved back into the area 9 years ago. To make a long story short, I grew up here, but when we moved back into the area, we needed a dentist, and my wife got a recommendation for Dr. Kopecki.
There was an incident where I cracked one of the crowns that I had, and Dr. Kopecki was very good at making sure it was a very painless procedure, and he restored it and reshaped it and allowed me to have a natural bite on my tooth, and I no longer had any pain and I could eat whatever I wanted, and it was very positive. And once again, I was very grateful for the nice work that he did. It looks very natural, just like one of my own teeth. It's just been a really good relationship that we've had, and the fact that they took such good care of our children and prepping Megan for her braces was a blessing.
I love coming here because they're always nice and kind and courteous to you when you come. They're never pushy or demanding. And they make it kind of fun to come to the dentist, which most dentists aren't like. Some dentists are mean. So, I like coming here.
I like to go into Dr. Kopecki because all his employees are fun, because sometimes they name the tools that they use so you don't get scared of them. And once you're done, you always get to choose out a toy to make, and sometimes they're really fun. And that's really why I like to come here. And they're very caring, and they always ask my parents how they're doing and stuff. I think that's very caring, and asking how they're doing.
It's almost like you walk in, they know who you are, they ask how things are.
They call you by name, they know who you are and are ready for you, and there's no waiting. The hygienists are usually standing there waiting for you with your chart, and they've already reviewed it, and they're very thorough. And when the girls have had to get cleaning, they're not afraid to come here. They actually kind of look forward to it a little bit. But they're not afraid. I remember growing up and being afraid to go to the dentist, and that was very important to me. And the first appointment that the girls had was a selling point to us, that they made the girls, the hygienists, the girls behind the desk and the reception area, and the dentists alleviated my fears about how my children would be at their appointments. I have recommended Exton Dental to several people, because lots of people come and go in the community, and you start conversations with people and they're like, I'm looking for a dentist. I'm like, I have the dentist group for you. And we love them, and then I tell them the history of what they've done, and our children go, and I'll see them again later, and they're like, oh, I went to the dentist and you recommended them and I love them, and now they come here. So it's been 9 years since we've been coming here.